Hello guys, I'm Tim Clegg with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. Today we got this beautiful Trek Class A motorhome. It's a front engine diesel, and we got the foggy window, creeping seal problem. So as you can see, the little bit of fog that's here, fogged on all three of these panels. We're going to be replacing, actually doing all the windows on the coach. You're looking at $140 per pane. So each window pane is $140. What that includes is the entire window frame is taken apart. Each individual thermal pane assembly is taken apart, cleaned, and then resealed the professional way, the way that they do it now in the industry. So if you have fogged window repair or creeping seals in your recreational vehicle, come check us out, MasterTech RV, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center.